Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today we're going to do a North American Twin Class setup part 3, and today we're going to talk about the rear bumper that we are going to use. Are you ready? Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so for today's North American Twin Class setup, uncut version suspension, for the rear plate we're gonna choose using the Arena style LG bumper, but it is uncut version. So for this uncut version, I believe the new people, they might be able to try it more because it's uncut version. Even though they don't like it, they can take it off and try something else. Okay, and for whatever the parts we need for the that uncut version LG bumpers, it will all shows right over here, and then you can see if you like that you can try, and if you don't want it, that's fine. Okay, so let's start today's video. Okay, so after the video, I believe you have more idea about this arena style uncut version LG bumpers. So today we are doing the rear part, and for the next video we will do is the front part. It's basically very close idea, but it's just like the way we put the O-ring is a little bit different. So that one I will show in the next video. Alright, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button for me. Okay, so I will see you next time.